and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Sheree, and if you are rejoining us and you're back, welcome back, and thanks so much for being here. If you like fashion, fitness, beauty, luxury, handbags, fragrances, all of the above, lifestyle vlogs, go ahead and hit the subscribe button before we continue to go any further, because I want you to make sure that you're notified every time a new video is out, and go ahead and hit the bell, and that way when a new video is put out on the channel, you will get like a notification. Something's gonna go off in your subscription letting you know that we put out a new video. You guys, this is, I'm sure you can tell from the title, these are purchases that I regret buying. And at the time, let's just be honest, if I knew that I was gonna feel this way, I would have never ever purchased them. These items have been sitting on my shelf for the last 4 years and I have not carried them. I think we've all been there where we've thought we've wanted things and we've purchased things, we've bought them and we brought them home, and it just wasn't what we thought it was going to be. And I have a few of those items, but today I'm going to talk to you about 2 of them. When I pick out things now, I really go for timeless, classic, chic pieces that I know that I am going to wear over and over and over again. I'm not really, I mean, I love trends, don't get me wrong. I love trendy pieces, I love trendy things. I think they're so cute, they're so like right now. But when I'm investing in something, I won't always reach, or rarely ever reach, for a trendy piece, because I don't know how I'm gonna like it. I'm a woman that particularly changes her mind a lot. I could like something today and be completely over it by tomorrow. That's just who I am. So I have to be very selective. The only thing that I have liked today, like tomorrow, like last year, the year before, and 2 years after, and probably, Lord's will, 5 years after this, is Chanel, as far as brands go. Anyway, so here are the purchases. Let's talk about this. So this is, you guys, I'm not the girl that's going to give you all the technicality terms of what this is called and what it is and the dimension. I can link it below if you like me to. But I bought this about 5 years ago now. I may have carried it 4 times, and I'm just not into it anymore. It is the LV monogram, and it is a zip wallet, and it's amazing. It's beautiful. It's got all the compartments in there for your credit cards. It's got the place for your cash. It's got a nice zippy in here for you to zip it up. It's got all of the above. It's got this. I've only worn it like a few times. Let's see. Oh, there it is. This is from Paris. Do you see that there? So this is from Paris. It says it right here. And I've only carried it like 5 times. Like, seriously, I can count on my hands. Everything is still in really good condition because I do not carry it. And the reason why is because it's just not functional with my lifestyle. I never take a bag out the house where I need to have these many compartments or these many credit cards or these. I don't even own these many credit cards. I mean, I don't know what I was thinking. I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna be that girl that goes to the gym and then I'm gonna grab a Starbucks and I'm gonna have my, and I'm not. I'm gonna put my backpack on, put my little bitty Louis Vuitton and my backpack, and that's gonna be it. I'm not this girl anymore. So this, I'm thinking about selling to Fashion File. If there's any of you who like this, you want more details on it, please let me know. Act fast, because I'm going to Fashion File like Friday, so act real fast. This is it. And then another purchase, look at this, you guys, it's still in the box. It's still, I mean, I have the box and everything for this too. I just took it out for the sake of this video, but for this I just grabbed it just to let you know this is still in the box. And I really thought, oh, I gotta have it, I gotta have it, I gotta have it. And I didn't, because I've only carried it 3 times. Here it is in its dust bag, right? It's Louis Vuitton. Look at how it's patinaed. You can tell this, you guys. I've had this bag for 5 years, I'm sure, or so. Look at this. You see that? It hasn't even patinaed completely. This is the I need to stuff it so that I can have a shape to it. But this is the Speedy. I believe it's the Speedy 30. Don't quote me on it, but I think it's a Speedy 30. Oh my God, there's like a nice little thing inside. So look at this. Look, okay, I want you to see this. Look at this. This came with it. I don't know what this is. Okay, wait a minute. This could give us detail. Chemistry MM. And then it comes with I know my lights are so bright and you guys probably can't see it. Hold on, let me see if I could turn this down so that you could see it a little bit. Ooh, right here, right? This here has a little, look at this. It's still in the box. This has to be the lock and key. Oh my, excuse me. Yes, look, it's still in the paper. If you are in need of this bag and you want it, look at this. I haven't even unwrapped it and took it out the lock. This is the paper for the little keys. I'm doing it for the sake of this video. I've never done this before. I've never even opened this bag. Oh my God, look, the keys have turned a whole different color. They've never even been used. Oh my God, they're like blue and green now. 437. All you gurus out there in Louis Vuitton, you probably know what that means. I thought I liked this bag. At the time, I really did. I'm like, oh my God, a Speedy, I've gotta have it. It's not conducive for my life. For me, I like to go shopping and I want my hands to be free. I don't wanna have to do this. Look at this. Oh my God, it is cute though, right? Maybe I should talk myself into it. It is cute. It's a top handle. Right? I mean, I guess. Look, it has no shape because I haven't carried it and I haven't even used it. So this is it. So if there are any of you that are in need of a Louis Vuitton Speedy 30, this is it. 3 times I've carried it. Look how clean it is. Nothing. Nothing. It hasn't even patinaed in there either. Look at that. So if you are interested in either one of these, act fast and let me know. So you guys, that's it. And if I could pass down a girlfriend moment to you and share a tip with you, I would just say make sure that you really know what you want before you buy. And a lot of times that's hard to do because how do we really know? Do you really think that I didn't want these when I purchased them? When I walked out of the store, my smile was from here to here. I was very ecstatic. I was very happy. It was all the rave. I did want it. However, I just changed and this is not what I want in my collection because I'm not this person anymore. So that's it. Take the time, do the research, do the homework. Okay, so speaking of which, I'm on the hunt now for a padlock Gucci bag. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I'm keeping my eyes open. I downloaded a picture in my phone. I've watched it. I've researched it. I've looked at it. So perhaps I'm going to absolutely love it. My fingers are crossed that I'm going to be getting that bag sometime soon. I don't know. Whatever. I think that these are investment pieces because what I am going to do and what I'm looking to do is turn around and sell these and actually take that money and buy something else that I want. A wallet or a small leather, whatever, a headband. I don't know what I'm gonna get yet, but I'm just saying I have a bag, a couple bags in mind, a couple small leather goods in mind that I do want, and so I'm going to you know, see if I can sell these and use the proceeds. Can I say that? Use the proceeds. I don't know if I should say use the proceeds. Proceeds seems like I should be raising money for a telethon or something. I don't know if it's a telethon. Anywho, I'm gonna use that money and apply it towards something else that I want. So, you know, just take me as your, oh my God, do I really, really want this before you actually get it? Just to ensure that you really, really want it. You guys, I appreciate you being here. Thank you for spending your time with me. Thank you for being here. I truly appreciate you. Before you leave though, I need you to do something. I need you to hit the like button. And I also need you to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel. I cover fitness, fashion, beauty, makeup, real life, lifestyle, fitness, vlogs. You name it, it's here. I'm not a niche channel. I don't stick to one thing. I'm like a unicorn. I encompass everything, but it's always going to be fabulous. You can believe that. So if it's your first time, hit the subscribe button, and if you've been here before, you've been filling the channel out and you're like, oh, I think it's time, go ahead and make that investment. Hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much, you guys. Until next time, I post every single week. Leave me a comment below if you have any suggestions on what you would do with the bags or the wallet or the whatever, or maybe you've had this happen to you before. What did you do? Did you sell it? Did you put it on eBay? Like, how did it work out for you? I'd love to know. Please share. Until next time, stay fit, be blessed, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks so much, guys. I'll talk to you soon.